So the other day I shared a story being proud of my one bag travel, and I got some feedback that you all wanted to know what I packed and how I packed, so I'm going to jump right into it. The trip I was packing for is a 4-night trip to warm weather, San Diego. So we're looking at like highs in the 70s, lows in like the 50s. The pack I have is a Osprey Talon 22, medium large, so 22 liter capacity. Got this from Haley, hand me down. It was too big for her, good for me. So what I had on me, one tip I've learned from others is to wear my jacket and my big puffy clothes with me on the airplane. So I wear that, so save some space in the bag. But on the front here, in this stretchy pouch with a clip, I have my journals. So I have my journals that I brought, and just that. Once we got there and I didn't need my jacket anymore because it was nice and sunny in San Diego, I took that off and stuffed this in here. On the back side, there is like a little pouch here on the shoulder. I didn't fill that with anything. The 2 hip pouches on this left one here, I had some hand sanitizer and an extra mask. So that's what I kept here in the side pocket. And then I kept my Moment wide angle lens that I can attach to my phone in this other hip pocket in case I wanted to get a more wide shot and take some video. I ended up not using it all trip, but that's where I packed it. So to bigger compartments, on the top compartment here was kind of like my miscellaneous, my quick get to. It is my portable battery pack with my cords. I had my reusable utensils, my travel napkin, and also brought a little travel lock that I had clipped in here with me in case I needed that. Didn't need it, but took it with me anyways. So that's what I had in this top pocket. Then the main compartment, before I get into that, 2 side pockets. Just brought my 1 liter Nalgene bottle. Tip, remember to go to the airport with it empty or enough that you feel comfortable drinking. I had to chug some water going to the airport. In the main compartment, opens up big here. There is a little mesh zipper pouch in here, and this is where I put my passport. So inside a pocket, double zippered, now where I can drop it or no one can kind of get into it quickly. So I have my passport in there, and I also have my little runes pouch that I took with me because I was going to be doing some moon divination stuff while we were there on the weekend. So that's all I had in there. And then I had my portable headphones. I have those right on top right now, but when I packed to go to the airport, I put them underneath my travel toiletry bag. So this is a Sea to Summit large travel bag. I like this because it has a little clip you can hang it on, has a lot of different organizers. This was simple. I keep this packed like this in the van, in like my little toiletry cubby. So on a daily basis, I just pull this out, open up on the counter, or hang it if we go into a public restroom, and use it that way. So nice for me because I have that constantly packed, but I just threw that in there. So like I said, going to the airport, going through security, I put that right on top so it's easy to slide in and out. Then I just have a couple packing cubes. So I have a small packing cube that has like my extra underwear, socks. I had a buff in there I didn't need, but some smaller items. And then I had a larger packing cube that also compresses, so that's a nice feature of this one. But I had my extra shorts, shirts, that I needed for that. And like I said in my story, I had a little bit more than I needed. Didn't use all of it. This is just some paperwork I had slide in there on the side of the back. And then I also threw my little travel towel at the bottom. So that's everything I brought. Totally empty. And we had some snacks with us too, so that was good. But yeah, was really proud of that. These packing cubes and the toiletry thing are new for me since being in the van. Now it made it really easy to pack some things and some organizers and throw it in there. I didn't travel with a laptop or tablet or anything like that, but if I did, I would have tried to put that up top, easy access as well. Also, this backpack is a backpacking backpack, hiking backpack, so it doesn't come with a sleeve for that, so it would have been a little bit tougher. But yeah, that's how I packed, what I packed. Oh, honorable mention, rest in peace. On my keys, I keep a little Swiss Army Classic. It's no longer here. I left it on my keys going through security, and they found it and confiscated it. So I'm very sad about that, but I will be on the lookout for getting a new one. Hope that helps you all, and you learned something or can kind of get another idea or validate some things you're doing well. All right, y'all.